Hello everybody, welcome to another video on part of speech. Today I am going to talk about two very important topic, and those topics that belongs to the part of speech noun. Today we will talk about two distinct features of noun. These are gender and number. Firstly, I would like to talk about gender. There are four kinds of gender. These are masculine, feminine, common and neutral gender. First one, masculine gender, a noun denoting the name of a male animal, like any male character, will be recognized as masculine gender. As an example, lion, man. Next, feminine, a noun denoting the name of a female animal. Any female character will be recognized as a feminine gender. As an example, we can say lioness, woman. Those are female character that will be recognized as feminine gender. And common gender, or a noun denoting either a male or a female. As an example, baby, student. Here we are not signifying to a particular male or female. There might be a male or might be a female. That is why it's a common gender. Next, we will talk about the fourth character, that is neutral gender. A noun denoting the name of an inanimate thing. Inanimate thing means the thing which do not respond if I apply a force on them, like trees, room. They do not respond. That is why these things belongs to the neutral gender. Now we will talk about the number. There are two numbers in noun. First one, that is singular number. Second, plural. Singular number, a noun denoting one person or thing, that is called the singular number. As an example, doll, house, a boy, a girl. Here we are talking about only one thing, single thing, a single object. That is called the singular noun. And then plural, a noun denoting more than one person or thing, that will be the plural. As an example, dolls, houses. Here we are talking about more than one objects at the same time. That is why it will be recognized as plural noun. Now we have some exceptions. You know what? That will be the special cases. We will recognize it. First one, some nouns have same form in the singular and plural. Their form will be remain unchanged in plural as well. They take the same form in singular and plural as well. Those are fish, sheep, deer, swine. We have to remember four words because their form will be remain unchanged. As an example, we can say that there is one fish in the pond. Here we are talking about only one fish. And then the next example, the boy has three fish. Here we are talking about more than one. So the fish should be changed to s or yes. Some nouns have irregular form, like we do not add s directly, s or es, and make it plural. Their form will change, like child to children, man to men, knife to knives. Here if you notice, the spellings are changing, knief to knives. Then mouse to mice, tooth to teeth. So in the plural form, the words are changing their form. That is why these are irregular form. Number 3, some nouns are used only in singular form, like the following number and word expressions when used after the numerals. These are like dozen, score, gross, hundred, thousand, million, crore, billion. Here all these words are used in a sentence if they are followed by a numerical quantity, like 11, 12, 13, 14, 23. All these numerical quantities, they will not change their form in the plural form as well. We have to be careful about these things. As an example, we can say that I bought 3 dozen mangoes. Here if you notice, we are talking about 3 dozen, means that is more than one, so it should be DOJTNS, but it remains unchanged. That's the special exception. And the luggage weighs above 5 stone, not 5 stones, 5 stone, because the value is followed by the first, it is 5, the numerical quantity, then the word. But if there is no numerical quantity before these words, it will change its form. Like the shopkeeper has dozens of mangoes. Here, if you notice, before the dozen, we have not used any numerical quantity. That is why DOZEN dozen becomes DOZENS in plural forms. Now, there are certain nouns which you have to remember. Then knowledge, advice, information, luggage, news. As an example, the news from the front is bad, his knowledge of English is worst. Those words are certain. Okay, there are certain plural forms are commonly used in singular. These words looks like plural, but they are similarly applicable in singular as well. Like physics. Here, if you notice, after C we have added S. Mathematics, politics, mechanics. These words are plural, but we are similarly apply it in the singular form as well. Like physics is a typical subject for some games like billiards, drafts, darts. Like billiards is an exciting game. Besides some names of disease like measles, mumps, measles, mumps, rickets. The measles is a contagious disease. Here the disease name is followed by an S and ES. These are plural form, but these are similarly applicable in singular as well. So these are some special cases of noun. I will talk about some more special cases in the next video. Please stay follow this channel. Thank you. I hope we will meet very soon.